Glenn Hughes here, working with Gift Dompia Hughes real estate team at Keller Williams International. Today we're sharing with you our listing at 20934 Cohasset Terrace, Ashburn, Virginia, 20147. This house is fully loaded. It has over $110,000 worth of upgrades, brand new wood flooring, brand new appliances in the kitchen. Look at that beautiful island kick tile, sun-drenched, beautiful kitchen nook, 5-burner stove, freshly painted throughout. The entire house is freshly painted. Spacious living room, dining room, and study with built-in bookshelves, brand new bathrooms, brand new carpeting, brand new master bath with stand-up glass shower, brand new cabinets and bathroom in the basement,